Good morning, my dears. How are you all? Yeah, I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start new lesson of SPL. Fourth lesson, growing up as boys and girls. Growing up as boys and girls. Okay. So, before we are moving to lesson, I give one task to you. Okay. Take one paper and divide the paper into two, right? Yeah. So after dividing paper into two, write one side boys, another side girls, and write down the games which was played by boys and which was played by girls. Okay, 5 minutes task. Okay, just take 5 minutes time and write down even the work also, which are the works want to do girls and which are the works want to do boys, like that you have to write. Yeah. After writing this, keep it one side. Later we will discuss. Okay. So, our mindset. Okay. What are the things we set in our mind is fixed. Okay. In even psychology, in the psychology also, we practice from our childhood, not only from our childhood, even your parents or grandparents, everybody practice the same things, particularly about boys and girls. Okay, whenever a child was born, immediately our grandparents or our relatives or friends, not asking about the health condition of mother, they ask the first question, what child is born, whether boy baby or girl baby, like that. So from the time of birth itself, they started to compare, they started to discriminate about according to gender. Okay, so even nowadays the condition was somewhat changed. Suppose you take 15 years or 25 years or 30 years before, means when the girl child was born, many parents, many relatives, their relatives not ready to accept of birth of girls. Okay, around 20 or 30 years before and all, the girl babies were killed the time in Tamil Nadu. When the time of birth itself, the girl babies were killed for various methods. Okay, the channel, the checking movie also. What we practice, what the society practice, how the society treated girls, like that. Many movies they are taken by our Tamil directors. Okay, so let's comes to the lesson. So growing up boys and girls. Okay, so we are give the important. Okay, our society, even our society also focus and identify, give important of the gender base only. Okay, so when the child, whether boys or girls, they are growing, that time itself they teach something. Okay, boys should not cry. How? Suppose any boys they cry in classroom, often some teachers, if suppose you are crying at home, the parents say, oh the boy, why you are crying like girl, like that they said. Okay, so that structure, that is fixed by our mind. Boys should not cry, gents should not cry, ladies only wants to cry. Even many serials also they are taking ladies only often crying, gents or somewhat rough and tough, like that they are taking. Even many movies also, whenever gents or boys are crying, like that showing in a movie or in our home, that is not accept others. Okay, so that only they are not, the gents or the boys are not ready to expose their feeling. Okay, whenever the boy is crying, others, his friends, everybody they started to criticize. Yeah, you are a boy, why you are crying, like that. You also often ask your friend. Okay, so they control themselves. Okay, the same like suppose some games. Okay, in our school and all often we conducting some fun games and all, that Pandi, with the stone they are playing, no, like that. And some of the games they fixed us girls. Okay, so a boy should not play. You have chance to see Kanna movie. In that movie also they said no, girls should not play cricket. This cricket is a game for boys, like that. Our mentality, okay, our society fixed the mentality. So one or two games it's fixed for boys, fixed for gents, or fixed for male. Okay, that not allowed. Okay, they are the rules and conditions our government ready to allow, but our society, our family members not ready to send their kids to play like that games. Okay, nowadays it's changed, quite changed lot. When I am studying in school times, in that generation, many parents they started to send their children to college. Many events they started to go to job. But suppose you ask your grandmother's generation, your grandparents' generation, in that time the ladies not allowed to go to high classes. Okay, suppose they wants to study college or any job, in those days the ladies not allowed to go to school or colleges. Okay, so our society fixed what are the things can boys do, what are the things can girls do, even for riding bike and all. Nowadays it's very common for all. Okay, but 20 or 25 years before that bike riding or car driving or this like heavy jobs are not allowed for ladies. Okay, so like that discrimination happen in our India. You can ask, ma'am, these conditions only for India or other countries also they treated people like this? Yes, of course. Okay, all the countries for long time they are not ready to give equal importance to ladies. Okay, suppose you studied first lesson of SPL on equality. In that lesson we discussed about the story about Rosa Parks. So Rosa Parks was an African American lady. She is written back to this her work. She was insulted by the white people, like that we discussed. Even in that story, even America, after that only many people they are getting equal rights. Okay, many ladies they are getting equal rights. Okay, so even in America also after 1950, after 1955 I think so, that time only ladies allowed for voting. Okay, before and not only gents only allowed for voting. Okay, many countries, okay, not only America, England, Germany, many countries they are not treated girls, women is an equal manner. Okay, so but that is a plus point of Indian government, Indian constitution. The time of returning itself, it's gave the more important, equal importance of male and female. Okay, so this lesson, growing up boys and girls, this lesson we are going to be discuss about the condition of female, the condition of male in our society, in foreign. So everything we are going to discuss. So this lesson I plan to take two parts. So this class is part 1. So next week 31st you have one more video, that is part 2. So I separate the lesson into 2. Okay. So today I am going to be explain two stories. One story about Soman Island, another story about Madhya Pradesh. So from that story you can easily understand the condition of female children in our country or other countries. The time of middle of this I am going to be discuss about Soman Island. Okay, the condition of 1920s, the boys and girls condition of 1920s in the Soman Island. Okay, so before moving, where is Soman Island was located means situated means you know very well Pacific Ocean. Okay, so where is Pacific Ocean located? You know very well. The west direction of North and South Africa and east direction of Japan and Australia, we have first Pacific Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean is the world largest ocean. Okay, so world largest ocean is first Pacific Ocean. So in that ocean we have many islands. Okay, many islands is present in this ocean. So out of that many islands, one of the island is Soman Island. Okay, one of the island is Souman Island. So where it is located? It's a present day Pacific Ocean. This south of Pacific Ocean, we have Souman Island. Okay. So what is the speciality of Souman Island means? The lifestyle of people, okay, during 1920s, the lifestyle of people was very different, which was followed the rest of the world. Okay. So what type of lifestyle they lived means, the children, they are not send their children to school. Okay, particularly the children, whether boys or girls, male or female, they are not send their children to school. Instead of sending them to school, the children, they learn many things. Okay, they learn many things from their elders. Okay, from their elders, they learn many things. What are the things they did? Their house means, first they take care of the children. Okay, when a child was started to walk, they started to do take care of their young siblings. Okay, and household work from older children. I said older children. Who was older children? I said later. Okay, so they started to do the household work and they started to fishing. Okay, just listen carefully. So in our houses, in our country means, once a child was born, minimum the mothers, the family members take care of the children at least 5 years very carefully, right? It's true only now. So even nowadays until up to 20 years, the parents are they keep their children, they keep their eyes around their children. Okay, like that nowadays they are we are going. But in Souman Island during 1920s, when the mother was, when a child was born, when the particular child started to walk, her mother is not ready to spend her time with the child. Okay, so who has the responsibility to maintain, take care of the child means that his elder brothers or sisters. So which child was, as child was up to 5 years, whether boys and girls, they have to take care of their brothers or sisters. Okay, like that is their duty. Their mother not ready to begin to stay in home, she is going to see their her work. Okay, so when a boy was completed his 5 years, okay, when a boy was completed his 5 years, he wants to support, he wants to give this work for household activity. Okay, household work, small work he need to do. Okay, when a boy was reached the age of 9, okay, when a boy was reached the age of 9, he is called as a older children. Okay, he is called as a older children. So now he was promoted. He was the important person of the family. So he is going to out of the home. Okay, so he is going to out of home. He started to learn how to fishing, how to plant coconut tree, how to do the plantation work, everything. He started to learn from their elders. Okay, from their elders. So 9 years, up to 9 years, he want to stay in house. He want to do all household work. After 9, he can move from their house. Okay, so up to 9. Suppose female children. Okay, suppose female children means up to their teenage. Okay, teenage means 13. When they reach the age of 13, up to 13, they have to take care of their household activity. Okay, up to 13, they have to do their household activity, they have to take care of children, they have to do cooking, these things and all, they have to focus. Okay, but when they reach 13 years, the teenage start, they had a much freedom. Okay, in India and all, after 13 years only, girls are restricted many things. Should not play along with the boys, should not go outside without informed to parent, like that. Many restrictions we have after 13 years only. Okay, but in Souman Island, when the girls they reached 13 years, they had lot of freedom. They started to go out the house. Okay, even they are allowed to participate fishing activity also. Okay, why? Because it is, I said before itself, it is island, so fishing is their main occupation. Okay, fishing is their main work, main features. So they are going to fishing activity. They are going to learn how to see the, when they are child, when they are before 13, when the boys before reaching 9, that time itself they learned how to make net, how to maintain net and all, fishing net and all, they learn before itself. Okay, so after 13 years, the children's, the girl, female children's, they are going to fishing activity, and then that female and male one, the cooking part. Okay, it's very important part in our house and all, in our house, in our state, in our country and all. Who was main person of cooking means that for female people only. Okay, suppose you just take a survey in your house or in your friends or relative, means who is the main person of cooking means definitely females only. Female only, they often wash the vessels, often cut the vegetables, and then cleaning the cloth and maintaining the house neat means who is the responsibility means female. That boys and all, they are simply sitting, they are simply eating, that is that's all wrong. Okay, but in Somana land, who was the main person for cooking means boys. Okay, female, sorry, male alone, very important, they plays very important role of cooking. So that a female, they are give their support for additional work only they are doing. So the main responsibility of cooking, whose means male personality. Okay, so up to 1920, this lifestyle only they follow. Okay, so the children is not going to school. Instead of going to school, they are take care of their children. Take care of their children means their young siblings. Okay, when the children was born, within 1 year, when the children started to walk, the mother not ready to stay along with the children. So the house was take care of the children. Okay, so they are doing household work, small work, and they learn many things from their old children. Okay, old children are adults. So when they reach a particular age, boys means 9, girls means 13 years, they have lot of freedom, and cooking part who plays important role means male. Okay, but after 1920s, this condition was changed. Many people, they started to read, many people, they started to go to school, the responsibilities changed, many things changed after 1920s. Next, growing up male child in Madhya Pradesh state in India, the year of 1960. Okay, what is the condition of growing up male child in our one of the state Madhya Pradesh during 1960, right? Suppose you had chance to see old movies, 1960s or 80s movies, just try to watch that movie. Often the movies, what the directors thought that movie, and whatever language, not bother about even Hindi or Tamil or Malayalam or Telugu, whatever the language, the hero plays an important role. The heroine always in homes, he was very quiet, normal, like that. The hero only, the heroes who's most like that, they shows. Okay, so in that movie and all, the female children, the heroines wear very simple costume, maybe full kurta or chudidar, sorry, half saree, like that costume. Often she could hold a book and she's walk quietly. She's seeing the land at the alone. She's not going to watch directly eye to eye contact. Okay, very shy type girls only they are showing in picture. You can ask why ma'am they are showing this like this picture like that. Suppose you ask, means that is true alone those days. Okay, so around 1990, up to 1990, the condition of women who came to college or who came to work, it's very less number alone. Okay, so just come to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh up to 5th standard. Okay, up to 5th there is no separate boys school, girls school. Okay, up to 5th standard, all together they study. Okay, like our school, how you have co-education up to 12th. But many schools, even in our state also, many schools they started to segregate from the 1st standard girls section, girls school, boys school. Okay, that is not good. That is not a good environment also. Okay, we suppose you have to mingle, both boys and girls supposed to study. That time only the boys also comes to know the pains, the problems of girls, and girls also comes to know the character and problems of boys. Okay, so from beginning onwards we have to treat that time only both are going to learn the importance of equality. Okay, whenever we hide something, that time only we have desire of that thing. Okay, so but what happened in Madhya Pradesh means after 6th standard there is separate school for boys and girls. What is the school condition of girls? Okay, what is the condition of the girls means the school was very small in size. Okay, all 4 sides, the entrance, except in the entrance, all the 4 sides covered with walls. Okay, and fully closed the school condition only. Okay, even for time of playing, for time of physical education time, how was their ground? How was their ground means it's 4 side of school building, 4 side of school building. In between a small in center we have courtyard. Okay, a small size of ground only they provide for girls. Okay, but we come to boys school. The school size is also very large. Okay, the school size is also very large, and ground, it's very big ground. Okay, it's very big ground. Girls school, the girls are not allowed to play after end of the school. Okay, after 4 o'clock, the girls they have to go straight in the street and they have to go to home alone. Okay, the street only for the way of their house. Okay, in between they should not see here and there like that. They should not see. Okay, they have to go straight away to their home. Okay, but boys, I said that this is given in our book, that's why I said. Okay, so but in boys they are not going to house after end of the school. They are sitting, they are standing each and every corner of the street as a crowd manner, and they are watching purposely girls when they are completing school, when they are returned back to their house. Okay, so that is very irritating of girls. Okay, suppose whether boys or girls, suppose a boy, okay, after he completing his school, he alone, suppose he is going to return back to his home. That time number of girls they are standing, suppose they are watching the particular boy means how we feel somewhat bad. Okay, we are going to somewhere, all the eyes are watching us means we feel somewhat shy, we feel somewhat guilty. Why they are all watching us like that? We have some feeling. Okay, but in those days the boys they are started to watch like that, and they are riding their cycle. Okay, that time the bike was not famous. It's very expensive. Cycle only is affordable for them. So they are riding cycle here and there, like Romeo like that. They are showing their stylishness, everything. Okay, so girls they are going to their house alone. Okay, and then that's why the girls are not allowed to go to higher study. When they complete that, suppose they are living in a small town, they are not allowed to go to higher studies. Suppose they are going to they complete 10th or PUC means they have to go to college for studying degree. They are not allowed. After completing their course, they are getting married. Okay, so that is the condition up to 1960 Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, not only Madhya Pradesh, many states to that that is only condition. Okay, but is not good. That's why they are giving. Okay, why they are giving these like stories means so in our blood, in our gene itself, it is fixed. Boys are superior, girls are inferior, but not like that. Okay, each and everyone, okay, whether boys or girls, each and everyone has a unique feature. Okay, they have unique feature. So we have to see their talent alone. We should not see their physical structure, their body structure. We should see their knowledge, how much they knowledge, how much they capacity. That alone we want to see. That's why this lesson are given. Okay. Already I said when I beginning the lesson, when I start this lesson, I said you take one paper and divide the paper into two and write down the games and the works who did, whether female or male, I said. Now we just cross check. I hope 95% of students you write cooking is the work of ladies. Okay. Who works nurse in hospital, you write female only. Okay. Who was working police, you write male. Okay. Who was working in bank, you write male. So this is all fixed in our mind. Okay. But that is not true. Even nowadays in Indian Army or Indian Navy or many field, even for sending satellite rocket to space, and suppose you have chance to visit Sriharikota. In Sriharikota, maximum percentage of ladies only working there. Okay, the scientists who work in Sriharikota or ISRO, particularly ISRO, many people out of 100%, around 60 to 70% ladies only working. Okay, so the condition wants to change like that. Government implement lot of plans, okay, lot of scheme that we have to comes to know. We have to give equal importance both boys and girls, right? So I am going to be end today's session now. Before ending, how many pages I teach today means page number 44, 45 and 46. Only 3 pages only I explained this video. Okay, this is part 1. Again next week you have the same lesson, is the part 2. Okay, so before ending, already I said before itself, from the beginning when we born, that time itself it started to differentiate of boys and girls. Okay, whenever we are celebrating our birthday, suppose when you are young, celebrating birthday, just remember, suppose you are boy, what type of gift you received from your relatives or your family friend. Suppose you are girl means what type of gift you are receiving from there. Yeah, boys means often whenever boys celebrating their birthday, they are receiving gift of car or football or cricket bat or remote car or helicopter. This like gift you received. Whenever girls celebrate her birthday, she received Bobby doll. Okay, she received Bobby doll, a small the kitchen sage, like the equipments only she had. Okay, so the time of young age, time of beginning itself, our society, what it means, to make a distinction. Distinction means difference, separate. Okay, between boys and girls. Okay, boys means they have to walk straight. They have to speak louder. They can dress their desire. Okay, but girls means they have to walk to see the floor, and they have to speak very polite. Suppose whenever girls started to speak louder, what also said, they said, see how she is talking. She is talking like ladies, like some unwanted words they started to use. Okay, even in movies and series also they said which girls or which ladies somewhat spoke louder, some guts. She is created as a negative role. Okay, his role was changed as a negative role. Even many series that alone they shows. So who is very calm, who is very quiet, she belongs to good role. Okay, so our society is constructed like that. Okay, that is wrong. That's why I said. Okay, so when we would realize that society make clear distinctions between boys and girls. Okay, so this begin from the very young age. Very young age, I said when they were their birth, that time itself it start. Okay, so and most everyday things. Okay, so I said before itself the dress code. Boys can how we want to wear dress, girls how they want to dress. Even for selecting job also. Nowadays everybody they are doing all the job. Okay, but the same condition before 20 years means not allowed for girls. They are not allowed to go to from native place to some distance place. Nowadays the girls are going to work America or Japan or London. The parents nowadays they are very brave. They are ready to allow their kids to work anywhere of the world. But in those days they are not allowed. Even they are not allowed to go to stay their friend's house. It's highly impossible. Suppose you ask a parent or a grandparents. In those days both grandfather and grandmother suppose they ask experience of grandmother, they are not allowed to stay their friend's house even before marriage. Okay, but late gents and all, male and all, they are free bird. Okay, there is no restriction of them. Even nowadays also for maintaining friendship, okay, for maintaining friendship is quite different from male and female. Okay, it's very quite different male and female. So one female gets married, it's highly difficult to continue her friendship after long time. Okay, so that is a speed break of ladies marriage. After marriage, she had lot of work. Okay, lot of things she want to focus. So she is not able to focus. She is not able to continue to maintain her friends. But male and up to age of 60, up to age of 70 or 80, they had chance to maintain their friendship. Okay, so why I say these things and all. And the next part, okay, next class, when you comes to the next class, that time we are going to be discuss about interesting story. Often these and all you can see in your house also. Okay, suppose you have to go through up to 3 pages, 44, 45, 46. Okay, and try to find out some difficult word, means you try to find out meaning. And in your book page number 46 in blue color they gave some questions, some hard questions. Okay, you try to answer that question in your homework note. Okay, so why? Because I said this week you don't have worksheet. Why? Because you have slip test. That's why we are not ready to give the worksheet. You have to prepare for slip test. So you have to answer these questions in the book page number. So in your book page number you have page number 46. You have 3 set of questions. Blue color indicate. So you have to answer that question in your own answer. Okay, don't copy from others. You have to think and write your own answer and read back. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.